All right, I wanted to add to the different Freename videos by talking about a way to search for TLDs and get different ideas. And I wanted to remind everybody of a great tip that the tech team gave me, which is you can search up to 10 strings or words in the search bar. So a lot of times when I'm sitting there and I know I want to buy a Freename TLD, I want to have my own top level domain name, want to be able to mint it, want to be able to buy the royalties program, want to be able to make money from selling different TLDs, and I want to use my top level domain. I think the strength of the Freename community in the future is going to be all of us using our top level domain names and imagining new uses for domain names and being able to execute and start and operate new top level domain names so much faster than the existing way, where ICANN's looking at asking $300,000 to $400,000 plus maybe $1 million in fees. And certainly you have to have relationships with all the registrars. You have to have a technical back-end provider. And for that, you get connected to the entire existing internet. But this new way, you get to go to market faster, since any top level domain name has to do its own marketing anyway, asking people to download the Freename plugin. So you see up here, a little Freename plugin right here, web extension. Once someone downloads that web extension, they can see all the domain names that are created on the Freename TLDs. So really, I would challenge you when you're thinking about building something in the future, would you rather get something you can get right now for a low relative cost, given that you have to do your marketing yourself anyway, and just by getting this small plugin, everyone can see your TLD, and then you're ready for all the Web3 uses, video conferencing, webmail. But anyway, back to picking out what you want to get. So what I might do is I may already have a list of popular keywords, so I can go ahead and paste them into this search bar, and I can paste in 10 of them at the same time, and it's going to tell me that if I want to get .home, which might be one of the best TLDs possible, that would be $30,000 to own it before any coupons or discounts. A lot of the other popular words might be protected, meaning that they exist in the ICANN ecosystem. .360 would be an awesome word to get to own the TLD .360 for $8,000 before discounts. Being able to make money when people bought video games .360, travel .360, hotel .360, their own name .360. But the other thing that the system will do is it'll give you some suggested TLDs. So you can look at deposit with the high premium price, but maybe you can look at Web Shield for $199, and you may have an application for security. But by hitting the Gimme More button, and I hope this follows it, you're going to get even more suggestions. So you'll get .airdrop with the different emojis behind it, .for blockchain, .crypto center for $79, .organic 365. Let's see. Hot NFTs at $3.99. Some other adult-oriented names, some other 3-number names. So if you're just browsing and you want to load in some different options, you may be able to see some different ideas. Web3 Mirror or Healthy Tech for healthy technology. Digital Metaverse, you can own that for $79. And it might spur on some thinking for you about other domain names that you can check. Now you can add these to your cart and just keep them there to be able to make a decision later. So I might keep that. I might keep .3000, even though it's $5,000. I may have a coupon code to be a little less. Let's see. We've got different ones with emojis here. I'll hit Gimme More. All right, so I've reached the end. So what I'll do now is I'll go back up and I'll put in another 10 different words from the list that I'm getting, and I know I'm getting that list off of this screen. But I'll put those in. And again, these are some of the most popular words in the entire internet. So .easy would be $10,000 to own.easy. You could be .easy right now, selling TLDs and domain names, selling domain names in your TLD.easy, .quantum, which is a huge word for the future, .nova, and then again, you get different suggestions at all kinds of price points. And by hitting the gimme more, you get more suggestions, and so on. So anyway, as you're thinking about different ways to search for different TLDs, don't forget to use the 10 at a time search, which also works for domain names, as well as using the gimme more, gimme more. Well, good luck.